Hello, and in today's episode of Beardchanics Garage, we're going to install some carbon centre cowl side panels.
They're beautiful, aren't they? A bit squarish and white for carbon, yeah. But you know, let's see what's inside the box.
It's harder with gloves on. Ooh, pretty.
There we go.
Love carbon fibre.
Package alright. Actually in sealed bag. We'll put a link in the description for those, obviously. That was, I think, $29.99 or, you know, 30 quid for real people on Amazon. So there'll be a link in the description. And that's basically to go on the side here and here. Okay, well, let's put the camera down because we need to like crack this open safely, and let's see what they look like outside the bag. There we go. Part is out. At first glance, good quality, I'll say.
Yeah, looks pretty good.
How's your piece?
Yeah, looks rather nice. They're fairly thin, but they don't feel as flimsy as the other kit.
Yeah.
They feel a bit thicker.
Yeah, quite decent.
Yeah.
I mean, this is not true carbon, as you can tell from the back. I think that's actually just plastic hydro dipped. 3M bands all over.
Yeah.
Alright.
Looks good.
Now let's see if they're going to fit.
You have the left and right as well.
Ah.
So you've got the L there, and I think that one says R at the end.
Look at that.
So yeah, you've got your left and your right.
Lee is actually learning from our previous videos. I should try and do the same.
That's because I watched them.
Alright.
Well then, yeah, let's have a go. Let's stick them on.
Alright, so let's see how good the part goes on. Definitely not something you can just put in there and it'll stay there. It seems like you want to sort of align the top. But yeah, not a perfect fit. But here, the best way we found so far is line the top up and then just push everything else down. And yeah, you kind of want to have that right as well here. And yeah, it's on purposely cut, so it doesn't actually have 100% coverage. But anyway, let's put it on anyway and see what it feels like with the 3M tape stuck to it. So yeah, we probably want to make sure we are lined up at this stage here. How is the top looking? It is sticky, sort of, but because the lip here doesn't go underneath, the lip is basically always that bottom stuff cannot possibly work.
Yeah, so it's just going to push it away, so that bottom
bottom
piece of tape can't actually touch the side.
We'll need to actually trim the bend here.
Yeah.
And then it will probably fit.
That's annoying though.
Yeah. Alright, so you guys stay tuned. We will have to trim those stuff first.
Yeah. Also, we won't take the tape off the other side, but for this one,
Yeah,
well,
I might even be able to put some of the tape back actually.
yeah. If not, then suggestions in the comments of how we can make it sticky again. So I couldn't resist. Surgical precision.
Yeah.
Not much luck with the sort of carbon fibre parts, have we?
No. Well, no, it's not, you know, still 30 quid, if you know what I mean. It's not like 5 quid on a wish or something.
Yeah. Yeah, it's still frustrating. Okay, alright, let's stop this.
So it looks like the other side is slightly better.
Yeah, it definitely fits better. I mean,
You know, already got a kit half, not even half put, like literally just one out
Yeah.
of 8 piece on.
this does seem to be a common theme.
I don't really want one side on one off. I'm already giving.
Well, the thing is, from this side as a passenger, obviously, if we had that in, I'd see that, and then I'd see the door handle on your side.
Yeah, I mean, it looks alright.
Yeah, it looks alright if you look from this angle. So yeah, it does seem to be a common theme, though, doesn't it?
Yeah, no, it's not. How can you get one side right on the other side wrong?
Yeah, it doesn't make much sense.
Mental. Oh, there you go, guys. You know,
Yeah.
as usual, Beardchanics luck strike.
Yeah. Another foul video.
Incredible, you know, incredible. One side sort of, you know, the side you try actually sort of like...
Yeah, that feels like it fits okay.
and it will actually stay down. But the other side, the piece is just too short.
Yeah.
So the little bend basically bash on it, on the part, rather than following the curve of the part.
Yeah, you've got the lip, which actually keeps the tape and the plate from fitting properly.
Yeah, you know, you know, you've seen it, you let go of it and it just comes off.
Yeah.
So, yeah, you know,
Yeah, it's a shame,
do not
isn't
buy
it?
those, you know, here it's Amazon stuff, so, you know, could maybe try to like send it back on stuff, but sometimes that's more of a pain in the neck than than anything else. But you know, so could always trim it.
Yeah, it's always worth having a.
If the bottom was trim, it'll be alright. And you know, it's not. I wouldn't see it. Nobody will really see it. You know, you'll know it's there.
Yeah.
But you know.
I mean, it looks nice. It definitely looked nice when you held it in place.
Yeah.
But obviously you can't drive holding it in place, really.
No, just keep your knees like that.
Yeah.
Just, you know.
You've got to drive with your legs open then, haven't you?
Yeah. But you know, then you've got to stay in your car 24/7.
Yeah.
It's not practical.
I mean, it's a nice car.
Yeah, but you know, still.
Yeah.
You know, there's still no toilet in here, so it's a bit.
Yeah,
you
true.
know,
Yeah.
It will be a nice car for some time, but you know, once you're desperate, it turn pretty wild, pretty quick.
One too many cups of tea, and then that's it. You're buggered.
That's it. But anyway, guys, you know, at least you see, you know, that's the experience you get with some of those parts, you know. And like you've seen, if you haven't seen our episode about the interior trim, we'll put a link up there or in one of the corner, and you go check it out. And that was like a full carbon, expensive, like 200 plus kit on you know, on that steel.
Yeah, not every part fitted in that either.
No, and you know, a lot more disappointing, you know, because this is like 30 or 40 quid, I think, compared to like, you know,
a couple of hundred.
Yeah, no, exactly. The interior trim, because it's something you see so much, it's something I thought, you know, for that I spent the extra money, and then wasn't even worth it, because in the end it was still straight from China.
Yeah.
It's probably the same stuff you get on Bloody Wish for 50 quid, except they sell it 200 and make a massive markup.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys,
so
normally it's a bit more cheered up, and you know, the result is better. So if it's your first time here, subscribe, go check our playlist, and you know, go see other episode.
Yeah, we have more success in other episodes.
Yes.
most other episodes.
Yeah, we cannot guarantee success in every episode, but
No.
you know, we do what we can.
Yeah, but at least we try these parts out so that you don't have to.
Yeah, exactly. Leave us a comment, you know, let us know what you think of you know, another, you know, great mod. And yeah, give us a like, it helps. And see you in the next one, I
see you
guess.
next
huh?
one, yeah.
All right.
Bye then.
Bye.
Cool.